big changes is that previously the FAFSA divided your expected family contribution. So that's the number that it calculates. It used to be called the expected family contribution, and that's been changed to the student aid index. Now there's two different people there, right? The family and the student. The expected family contribution, to calculate that, divided your ability to pay by the number of college students in your household. The student aid index no longer does that. So if you are a student in a family with multiple college students, your student aid index is going to be higher this year than was your expected family contribution in previous years. Now, many colleges, for purposes of allocating their own financial aid, will still consider siblings in college as in allocating their aid. And so it's important to understand what the FAFSA does two things. One is it's an automatic application for federal student aid. So that's student loans, Pell Grants, work study, and a few other federal grant programs. It's an application for your state financial aid programs, and typically you qualify automatically for those. And then colleges use the FAFSA to calculate their own financial aid awards. And when they're using their own money, they have a lot more leeway than when they're using the Department of Education's money, right? So there's a specific qualification for a Pell Grant, but for an institutional need-based grant, where it's the college's own money, they can look at a wider range of circumstances.
Okay, right. So that's a really key distinction.